Let me tell you a secret. And no, this is not about having better AI. Big creators are not getting better images because they are lucky. They are not getting better images because they pay more. In fact, most of the big creators out there use the same free AI as you. They are getting better images because they know one simple thing that most people don't. And today, I'm going to give you that one thing. If you stay with me till the end of this video, I promise you this. After today, the way you talk to AI will change and the images you generate will start looking clearer, more emotional, and more professional. I tell you, this video is a game changer. Welcome to Zero to Hero with AI. On this channel, I talk about different AI tools and how you can use them to change the game of your content creation, to earn money online, and do even the unthinkable. So if you like video like this, do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on any video I share. Now, listen carefully to me. AI is like a small child. It cannot read your mind, it cannot guess your story. It only understands what you explain clearly. Most people just throw words at AI and hope for magic. Big creators don't do that. They guide AI step by step. I'm going to show you how. Very simple and no stress. Now, first thing first, when you want to create an image, always ask yourself one question. Who is in this image? Not many people, just one main subject. It could be a woman, a man, a child, or a house. One, just one. Now, the second question is ask yourself, what is this person doing? Or how do they feel? Not 10 emotions at a time, just one. Are they tired? Are they quiet? Are they holding back tears? Are they smiling softly? You have to pick just one because AI loves clarity. Now, the third thing is ask yourself, where is this happening? Is it inside a room, in an empty street, outside at night, or in the rain? This will tell AI the world your story lives in. Now, the fourth thing, and this fourth thing is actually where most people fail. Yeah, you need to ask yourself, what does the camera see? Is it a close up? Can we see only the face? Is it a full body shot? Is the camera at eye level? Now, this is how big creators think. They think like filmmakers and not like keyword writers. When you want to generate a professional image, you have to learn to think like a filmmaker, just like I'm explaining. Now, the fifth thing, tell AI about the light. Not complicated light, just the feeling. Soft light, dim light, cold light, warm light, because light controls emotion. And finally, the last thing, but not the least actually, style. Choose one style, just one. Cinematic realism, film still, realistic photography. Choose one of these and stop there. When you do all this, you're no longer begging AI, you're directing it. Now, let me put it all together for you. Don't say things like a sad woman. You say things like a young woman holding back tears, standing alone in a dark room, close up shots, soft dim light, cinematic realism. You see the difference? The same AI, but with these two prompts, you're going to get different results. Now, this is why big creators win. This is why professionals get better images. Not because they know more tools, but because they explain better to the tools. So remember this, AI does not need more words, AI needs better words. Now, use this formula every time and I promise you, your images will change. Now, if this video helped you, stay with me on this channel by subscribing, If you picked one or two from this video, do well to share so other people can see it, like and comment, because this video is just the beginning of what I have to share with you on this channel. Thanks for watching.